Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick way to add rounded corners to your product's pictures in Shopify. This small design change can give your store a softer, more professional look. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify account, and to do so, just go to your web browser and in the search bar type in shopify.com. Now after the website appears, click on sign in and enter your account credentials if you haven't already signed in. Now, in your dashboard, go to online store on the left hand sidebar here and select themes right here. After that, find your active theme here, or you can choose one here, and click on the three dots to open the actions menu, and then choose edit code. This will open the theme's code editor. Now in the code editor, look under assets for the main CSS file. These will usually be named something like theme.css or base.css. Click on the file to open it. Now I'm gonna look for it. It's named base CSS on my account. Select it and open the code. To make your product's images rounded, we'll add some custom CSS code. Scroll to the bottom of the CSS file or look for the section that styles product images. After you find the image you want, add the following code right here. You can pause the video to copy it. And click on copy. Return back to your page and paste this code right here. Now adjust the 10 pixel value to increase or decrease the roundness of the corners. The higher the value, the more rounded the corners will be. After you finish modifying this, click on Save in the top right corner to apply the new style. Click on the button here. This button will be available. After that, go to your storefront and refresh the page. Or you can click on Customize to see your page. To see the rounded corners on your product images. If they're not showing up, try clearing your browser cache or checking if your theme uses a different class for product images. And that's it. Now you have beautiful rounded corners on your product pictures. This is a simple but effective way to enhance the look of your store. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.